We just received some fantastic feedback with a glowing 5-star review. And now comes the fun part, sharing it with you. We're happy to say this is just one of many. And that's just one happy experience with our business. It's wonderful to receive positive online reviews like this one. We enjoy sharing them with everyone. It's extremely encouraging and validating. Plus, it's a great testament to our commitment to satisfaction. Everyone we serve was new at one time, so we are always excited to speak with anyone, whether they are new or returning. We appreciate you stopping by and watching our video. We're happy to answer any questions you might have. We're happy to help you anytime.